Hi guys, yeah, welcome back to another episode. This is Ebonystyle. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a butterfly big braid and how to attach it with needle and thread on my hair. I made it on my hair. So now I'm just going to remove the wool, like I'm going to cut it and I'm going to give it to the length I want. And in this video I'm using a Brazilian wool. I've shown you that earlier. So now I'm just going to make the measurement from my palm to my ankle, like the way you are seeing right on your screen. So that's what I'll keep doing till I'm done with the whole wool. I'm actually using one wool. I did not finish the two wool. I just used only one wool for this, for the hair. So make sure you watch this video to the end just to know how I attach this particular big braid on my hair. So make sure you watch to the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you give it a like, a thumbs up if you find the video interesting and if you find the video teachable. So guys, this is what I kept doing till I'm done with the whole wool. I just use one wool, like one Brazilian wool for this hair. So the measurement is from my palm to my ankle, and you can make it longer and you can make it shorter. You can make it more longer and make it short, but I just want something short. I don't want something too long because I'm not a fan of wool. I don't really like using wool, but I want to do this video. I really want to do this video using a wool, not an attachment. So now guys, when I'm done with the measurement, I then cut. You can see the way I cut it. I use my scissors just to cut the wool into like the bottom part. I cut it out. You can see the way I measured and the way I cut the wool. So guys, this is when I was done cutting. So now, and I divide the wool on my bed, like so when I'm braiding it won't be difficult for me when I'm braiding. So this is the first one I've braided. Like I'm just going to do two of this. That's the first one I've braided, so I'm just going to teach you the way I braid it. So now I'm just going to take two wools. Yes, I'll put it across the line that I've created. So now I'm going to use another two wool just to braid it right from the top. You can see it on the video like this. Yeah, I crossed the wool over and then I started braiding. I braid like 3 to 4 times before I started adding the wools one after the other. You can see. So this is how I divide the wool. I divide it into, the first one I added was 2, the second one was 3, the third one was 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's it. So the first one I added was 2, second one was 3, third one was 4, fourth one was 5, fifth one was 6. So that's how I added the wool to the hair. And that's how I added the wool. I've already divided the wool on my bed so that it will be very convenient for me if I want to braid. So that's how I just add one, like 2. The first one is 2, second one I added 1, making 3, third one was. So that's how I kept doing it till I'm done. Back to the butterfly style. You know, I said it earlier, I'm doing a butterfly style. So now after adding, like when I first added, I braid a little and then I remove it. Don't if you want to braid it, make sure it's not too tight, because if you want to remove it from the sides. So I braid a little, then I remove it from the sides I'll first remove from the right side, I'll then remove from the left side. I can also remove from the left side, and later I remove from the left side and right side. So remove from the left, remove from the right, braid a little, remove from the left, remove from the right, braid a little, remove from the left and remove from the right. So that was what I did till I'm done with it. So note that when we are braiding this thing, make sure it's not too hard, like it's not too tight, so that when you want to remove from the left and from the right, it will be very easy for you to remove from the left and from the right. So make sure it's not too tight. So this is when I was still braiding, still removing from the left and still removing from the right. So this is the actual length I want. I don't want it to be too long, so then I just use like 2 of the threads just to tie it. So this is when I was done. This is just the 2, because I'm just going to part my hair into 2 sides and then attach this. So this is when I've braided my hair into 2 parts. And then actually the first one I made, the first braid I made was not too long, but the second one, it was long, a little bit long, because of the style of the hair I'm doing. And the thread I'll be using, I did not divide into 4. It was just 2, not too thick, just light, and not something light. So now I start attaching the hair right from the tip of the braid and the tip of my hair. So I start attaching it to it. This is how I attach the hair. I will put the thread, needle and thread, first at the right side, and then I'll go to the left side, and I'll first sew it at the right side. I'll go to the left side and sew, come to the right side and sew, go to the left side and sew. And you can see in this video, I just want it to be short. I don't want something elaborate. So I did not attach gel, I did not attach eco gel, I did not attach shiny jam, I did not attach any spray, I did not attach spray, gum spray. This got to be, I did not attach spray gels. I just want something natural. I don't want anything elaborate. So that's just for this video. So then I just keep attaching from the right, keep attaching from the left till I'm done with it. I'll attach it right from the tip to the bottom. So that's what I keep doing. And make sure when you are doing, make sure it's tight. It's not it's very tight. Make sure the thread is not slacking. Make sure it's very tight, and then sew from the right to the left side, from the left to the right side, from the right to the left side, guys. And make sure, be very careful with the needle so that it won't shook you if you want to make it on your hair, or you want to make it on a customer hair. So don't forget, guys, this is Ebonystyle. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up, and then share this video to your friends, just to make this quick hack, just quick hairstyle. So guys, this is the back side, still attaching from the left to the right, still attaching from the right to the left. So, and when I was done, I gave it a knot, then I cut out the thread. So I did it to the right, to this right hand side. So I'm going to do it to the left hand side, like the big braid. So guys, this is when I was done. You know, I told you I'm just doing something natural, something light. So I'm done doing it, attaching the braid on my hair, both the right and the left side. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.